Hi, my name is Fran, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to safely export your contacts in GetResponse, either because you want to back up your list, which you should do often, or because you want to move to another email platform. So let's jump into my screen and see how to do this. Alright, so from the GetResponse dashboard, just click on Lists, find the list you want to export your contacts from. In this case, we're going to export this one. I want all 411 contacts exported. Just find the three dots over here and click Export. Choose a file name. It's good to use a date. And let's choose the file type we want to use to export for the export. It's recommended to use CSV. You can open a CSV file with a text document or with a spreadsheet document. So let's click Export New File. Now, here's where it gets tricky. If you close out and you expect it to download, it doesn't. The list just stays here. And you can leave it here for a while. After 7 days, it will be deleted. So let's just go back to export. It will be here waiting for you. Go back to the three dots, click on download, choose where you want to save it. And that's it, your list is exported. Now let's say you only wanted to export a few contacts out of this list. How would you do it? Okay, so in this case, you would have to create a new list. You would select the contacts you would like to export. I would create a new list, and now here in the selected actions, move them to the list or copy them to that list. I could choose here this one, it's empty. I would copy them here. Do not add them to autoresponder or they'll start receiving emails. And now we'll go back to find that list. Here it is. And here are my contacts that I just added. And I would do the same process again. Export, give it a file name, select the extension, and export new file. And again, my new file is here. I could just download this one and upload only this one to my other autoresponder if I want to add it to a new platform, or just to save them in a different file because I want them separated for some reason, or to move them to another list. Alright, so that's how you export a list. Now if you'd like to just add contacts to your list, you would just go back to lists and click add contacts, and you can manually add a contact. As simple as that. You select the list where you want it. You can choose to add them to the autoresponder cycle or not if you want them to start receiving the emails as somebody who would have subscribed. And you can add them one by one, or you can upload a file like the ones we've just downloaded. So let me show you how this works. We would just drag a file here, and this file is ready to be uploaded. We can add and update existing, or we can only add the new people. If some of these contacts are already in the list, you have to give it permission, say that you have permission to add these people to your list, tick it, and click next. Alternatively, with GetResponse, you can directly migrate a list from another platform, either from ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, Aweber, or Constant Contact. Alright, so that's how you export your contacts in GetResponse. If you want to see any more GetResponse tutorials and I don't have it created yet, just make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see. I'd be happy to create a video for that. And if you want to start earning what you deserve from your content, make sure to subscribe to this channel where you'll learn how to do that. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.